Here's how to convert image to PDF. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Chrome browser. Then here in the Chrome browser, you have to search for the image to PDF file converter. Once you search for it, now it will take you to this page. Here you have to open this exact website that I'm gonna open. Once you click on the link, it will redirect you to the Adobe official website. Here you have to click on the select a file option to upload your image. Once you click on the select file option, now it will redirect you to your mobile gallery. Here you have to select the image that you want to upload, and once you have selected the image, now it will automatically update it to your website. Then here you have to wait for the process until it's done. After that, to download your Adobe file, here you have to click on the sign in option to sign in, and once you click on it, now it will redirect you to the accounts. Now you have to select an account from which you want to sign in. Here I'm selecting with continue with Google. Now it will take me to this interface. Here I have to click on the three dots at the top and then click on the download option, and as you can see, my file is being downloaded as PDF. So this is how you can convert your images to PDF.